Shulini TV. News from the campus.
Hello and welcome to the 79th weekly Shoni TV News Bulletin, where we bring you the latest campus news. I'm Simran. First, the news headlines.
Last date for admission declared, 25% increase in admissions. Over 150 vice chancellors to attend conference hosted by Shuli University. Huge jump in placement due to early start of the placement process. Prostate cancer awareness campaign started designated Blue Month.
In spite of the continuous COVID pandemic, there is a substantial increase in the percentage of admission this year. Shu will give us more details on it. Go ahead, Shu.
Admissions for the current academic session would close on November 30. According to Vice President and Head of Admissions, Mrs. Avni Khosla. She also said there has been an increase in admissions by about 25% this year, despite COVID situation. The university has made special provision for makeup classes and special interactions for students joining late. Mid-semester examinations would be conducted separately, but they shall sit for end-semester examinations with those who had taken admission earlier.
That's great news. The Association of Indian Universities is collaboration with Shulini University is organizing a conference. Ankita will give us more details.
Over 150 vice chancellors of universities from North Zone will be attending a two-day conference from Friday to deliberate on sustainable development goals through higher education institutions for ensuring equality and sustainable society. The meeting is being organized by the Association of Indian Universities AIU in collaboration with the United Nations, which has set the agenda and is being hosted by Shulini University. Addressing media persons at Chandigarh Press Club, Amit, Dr. G. Tiru Sagam, President AIU and Vice Chancellor, Amit University, Chennai, and Dr. Mrs. Pankaj Mittal, Secretary General AIU, said that the meeting would be held in both online and offline mode. They also said that the agenda of the meeting was the part of United Nations Charter for Implementations for 4 Sustainable Development Goals.
Of course, the main focus is towards the Sustainable Development Goals. And the cyber equal importance will be given to collect the opinion of the Vice Chancellor of other party of this region. We consider their opinion, physical opinion is more important.
Vice Chancellor Professor Atul Khosla, who would be hosting the conference, said that the agenda of conference was in line with Shulini University's focus on sustainable development goals and in particular Himalayan ecology and environment. He said several university researchers were engaged in scientifically tapping resources and preserve environment.
Thanks, Ankita. Now Bhavna will give us the detail on how early placement helped the students. Yes, Bhavna.
An early start to placement this year has proved to be a game changer, with top corporates picking up Shulini University students with attractive packages. During the first phase itself, all the companies participating in the online placement campaign of the university hired 48 students. Director Training and Placement Mr. Ajay Khanna said that the placement were started last week to ensure 100% placements. He said that starting the placement process 2 months early has proved highly beneficial.
Indeed, great news. A cleanliness campaign was conducted by the Shulini University. Manan will give us an update on it.
On November 21, a group of students from Shulini University went for a cleanliness campaign in Ashwini Ghat. The campaign was conducted under the supervision of Dean Student Welfare Mrs. Poonam Nanda and her team. In all, 58 students from different departments participated in the campaign. Some fun activities were also organized for the volunteers, and a dham or community lunch was also organized for them. It was followed by a cultural fest by and for the students.
Thanks, Manan. Now, Somini will give us the details about a workshop by MBA students. Go ahead, Somini.
Students of School of Business Management attended a 5-day workshop cum training classes conducted by ICICI CSR Foundation in collaboration with Team Lee's organization. Mr. Rajat was the expert trainer who conducts successful workshop across universities and institutions. The final exam was conducted by National Stock Exchange to complete the training. Professor Kuldeep Chand Roche, Director MBA Program, congratulated the students for successfully completing the workshop.
Thanks, Somini. And now Saket gives us update on prostate cancer awareness campaign. Yes, Saket.
Shulinians for You and UVCAN are once again collaborating to celebrate the Blue Month, a month dedicated to spreading awareness about the deadly prostate cancer. In support of this cause, a social media challenge has been announced. It is a simple and very easy fun way for Shulinians to create awareness for the campaign. The last date to submit entries is 29th of November, according to Dean Students Welfare Mrs. Poonam Nanda.
Such a great initiative. Now, before concluding, we have RJ Fatima giving us details about the upcoming Radio Shulni shows.
Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. I'm here with a list of shows coming up on Radio Shulini this week. So first of all, we have Fake Matyar by RJ Vidhi. Coming up next is Hafta Wasool by RJ Ankita, Healthy Bate by RJ Ranjana, and last but not the least, Meri Kalam Se by RJ Noor. All of these shows have been uploaded on the My Shulini app, so hurry up and go tune into those. Well, that's all for today. Thank you and have a great day.
That's all for this week. Thanks for watching. We shall bring you the next edition as per the schedule next Friday. Till then, take care, stay home, and stay healthy.